What's up, everyone? Got a flip that I showed you going on right now. We're gonna take a look inside. I'm gonna show you kind of what's going on. I think we're on day 3 and already it's been an improvement. You'll see, like even the outside they just painted. We got to redo the roof still. Still a lot of stuff to do, but give you a good look at a weekend, kind of what's been done, all that. And again, I'll show you the final finish and all that. And yeah, bring you along the journey so we can all see it. All right, so here we are. Again, it's been painted. Looks 1,000 times better. Once the roof is done, that's gonna look phenomenal as well. We'll start with the garage. So the garage, there was just some drywall damage, as you can see, but all that's being taken care of. So the first week is always the gut job. People are working right now, so just keep that in mind. How's it going? All right. So guys, all right, so this is where the kitchen was. Relocated all that to right here. Once it's done, it's gonna look phenomenal. Made this living room, fireplace, all that. I'm gonna show you some in the backyard. Not much done back here yet, but give you an idea. All that will be removed. Yeah, again, a lot of this drywall had to be replaced. Okay, there's the bathroom, working hard on that. Master bedroom. Full bedroom, one more bath. And bedroom number 3. Alright, stay tuned for the final version.